Hi students, welcome. We're going to start off with Chapter 5, the Periodic Law. Under Roman numeral 1, History of the Periodic Table. 60 elements had been discovered and chemists had to learn 60 sets of properties and atomic mass was not accurate. Mendeleev and chemical property under B. Number 1. Dmitri Mendeleev, spelled Mendeleev, attempted to organize elements according to these properties. He noticed the trend that elements were arranged in increasing atomic mass at a regular repeating pattern referred to as periodicity, spelled Periodic. Number 2, figure 5-2, the element Te and I were not in order by mass, but switched by periodic properties that seemed to fit properties with others. He also left several empty spaces and predicted the existence and properties of 3 elements which were soon discovered: scandium, gallium, and germanium. And scandium is Sc, Ga, and Ge. Mendeleev proposed the periodic law, but there were 2 problems. Number 1, why but a few elements were arranged by atomic mass? Number 2, why is there chemical periodicity? Under letter C, Moseley and the periodic law. In 1911, Henry Moseley noticed the trend that elements were according to the nuclear charge or the number of protons. This led to the recognition of the atomic numbers equals the number of protons. Number 2, Te belongs before I in the correct position. Number 3, the revised periodic law. Physical and chemical properties of the elements are periodic functions of their atomic numbers. Similarly, properties of elements appear at regular intervals by increasing atomic number. Under D, the modern periodic table, figure 5-6 out of your online chemistry textbook. Number 1, new elements have been discovered and some are synthesized, spelled Synthesized, or man-made. Number 2, the periodic table, an arrangement of elements in order of their atomic numbers, so that elements with similar properties fall in the same column or group. Number 3, the noble gases, under A. In 1894, Strunt and Ramsay discovered argon, Ar. It had not been discovered because of its total lack of chemical reactivity. B. In 1868, helium was discovered on the Sun. Ramsay discovered it on the Earth in 1895. Under C, this group was designated as Group 18, and krypton, xenon, and radon were discovered. Number 4, the lanthanides. In the early 1900s, the lanthanides were discovered. These are 14 elements with atomic numbers from 58 to 71. B. These elements have similar chemical and physical properties. Number 5, the actinides. Under A, actinides are 14 elements with atomic numbers from 90 to 103. Both of these groups are 14 elements are found in period 6 and 7 between groups 3 and 4. These groups are set off below the main portion of the periodic table to save space. Number 6, my heavens, students can't even talk. It's still Sunday. Periodicity. Periodicity. Under A, if you look at atomic numbers in groups 18, the difference between successive noble gases are shown in figure 5-4. This same pattern occurs in groups 13 through 17. Under B, atomic number of each successive element is 8, 8, 18, 18, and 32, the higher atomic number of elements above them. And now, students, that concludes lecture number 1, chapter 5. Now, your responsibility is pretty simple. Take notes from the note sheets that I've given you in class, and then tomorrow we're going to have a little worksheet over this, in which case I'm going to come around and visit, and we're going to see how you guys do with this new type of technology that we're trying out right now. Anyway, I look forward to seeing you in class. Have a great day, and if you have any questions, we'll take them up then. Thanks a lot.